Hello, kitty. I'm decorating a cake for a birthday party. And this is how it looks like. It's not yet finished. But after how many minutes you're going to see it.
Oh,
It looks tasty, isn't it?
oh, mm.
Shut up.
I mean the cake.
Ew. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the decorations that I'm going to place above the cake.
Ito.
It's a disgusting icky cat made by the disgusting icky angel.
Di ko alam.
Hindi raw niya alam. Ako lang kunan mo. Hold siya. Wala akong bra.
Sinabi pa.
Huwag mo siya ngayon ngayon. Papapalabas yun. Yung cellphone ko.
Yummy.
Eh, ano